Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to set up a new password on your Facebook account. So, to do that, go to your Play Store or any application store and update your Facebook application. Then open your Facebook application and log in to your account. So you can see now your Facebook homepage. Then tap the three lines at the upper right corner and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings and scroll down until you see Security and Login. Then tap Change Password. And that's it. That's how to set up a new password on your Facebook account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.